Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to International Commodity Market Discussion with SD और मैं हूँ SD शानंद दास मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट. Before I move to today's topic, I would like to give you a bit of good news, especially those who have not ever taken any trial. The option master trial is opening up on 10th of July. This is a rare occasion where you get to test my or see my or access my option master setup. But more importantly, 13th July is coming up, is our next storm, the belly of the bear, an interesting topic which I have not ever covered anywhere before. So belly of the bear and 10th of July rainbow option trial, these two are upcoming events. I wanted to highlight you about this. And if you want to see the past events, then these are the past events. The recordings are available, though they could be for members only section. Anyway, friends, let's come to international commodity market. I love commodities because they can give you handsome profit, but not all the time when the market is good trending in your time frame. So first of all, what are the instruments? मैं क्या देखने वाला हूँ इसमें? Gold, international gold, silver, copper, crude oil and natural gas. These are the main instrument जिसके ऊपर मैं focus करूंगा. And for this one, I'm going to use my fountain of gold setup, or popularly known as the rainbow setup. So now what I'm going to do is look at the gold chart. Let's bring the line chart first. It is in a consolidation phase. The downward draw structure has somewhat disappeared, but I don't think gold has turned bullish. My view has not changed much. It is the same. Gold is mixed situation pay, and any trade that I'm doing, I'm taking very small token profits, as the market is not in a continuous profit giving mode in one side. It is completely squeezed up. ये देखिए सामने चांस की बड़ा मूव आ रहा है. गोल्ड कैन ब्रेक लोअर, बट सो फार बायस्ड आई विल से ऊपर के साइड लॉ दिस सपोर्ट्स आर देयर, but gold can break even lower by end of July to early August. End of July to early August, picture more clear हो जाएगा कि gold what it is going to do. Next I'm looking at the silver. Let's look at the silver. Silver का ticker is XAGUSD, or you can use SI1 for comic silver. Silver has been relatively more bullish, but short-term momentum देखिए right side of the table is bearish. Buyer मैं हूँ, but on the ETF. I'm not getting anything good to go for the MCX. I would have loved to go long, but gold bearish, silver bullish, those are rare cases. I don't think such is happening. Gold and silver enjoys 85% correlation. None of the metal is going any side. All are consolidating, but I'll highlight that silver is in a monthly, weekly and daily. Monthly, weekly breakout, daily में buy support. I had to participate, but as my confidence is low, I have kept the leverage low by going into ETF, exchange traded fund. And when it will look like strong, I'll participate via MCX futures, where the return can be higher, but the risk is also higher. Now I'm looking at crude oil. Crude oil बहुत interesting phase के जरिए जा रहा है. 2 घंटे का चार्ट में crude oil एक नया रेंज में जा चुका है. This was the previous very tight range, बहुत ही टाइट रेंज था. अब ये बड़ा रेंज हो गया है. कल पिछले कुछ मूव से राइज के बाद it is started giving out correction. So this is the time to book profit if you have taken long position, because once again it is in a range. Range का चांस देखिए 57%. Short term momentum bearish. Best is to exit the long side on crude oil and remain neutral. And in daily chart, market is more in a consolidated phase, and we have a first time a full green candle. So crude be warming up. मुझे fundamental hint मिल रहा है from where I'm getting it कि crack spread rising, gas oil and diesel are at much, inventory level is significantly lower, uh, and that could trigger a comeback in crude oil, a very strong comeback in crude oil. So crude oil is looking turning bullish. Let's put it like this. Crude oil is turning bullish. Not yet has turned super bullish, but with these bases up there, crude can definitely move towards once again $70 area. So this is about crude oil, and now I'll go to also show you RBOB gasoline. This is the gasoline, and gasoline ka chart was hinting before that there was a demand, and significantly if gasoline price starts to rise, which I think it can 2.3, it can reach out towards 2.3, 2.455 area, it can reach out. Now see, if gasoline rise, then crude oil can turn more bullish. Now we look at the natural gas. Natural gas situation, it's natural gas bearish, gradually moving lower. And in the 2-hour chart, which I think better to trade natural gas, and natural gas is even smoother होगा. जब हम लोग अपने चार्ट देखते हैं तो और स्मूथ है natural gas. So natural gas, I take both international as well as India MCX chart. It is consolidating right now, एक range bound behavior. आने वाले दिन में जब bullish हो सकता है, bullish will be above $3.43. Currently उतना bearish नहीं है. Definitely एक range bound 79% ऊपर के टेबल में नोट कीजिएगा, 79% चांस दिखा रहा है कि कंसोलिडेशन हो. And now we have natural gas. Last counter I will take a quick look at is the copper. Copper I've been bullish, but more on the ETF side, not on this ETF, because weekly chart copper seemed quite bullish. Also other long-term chart, fundamental, EV, all this could be bullish for copper. So I'm holding some part of CPER. But overall, currently it is a mixed market. Like majority of the commodities, copper is also going through a mixed market situation. It will be best to stay out of the market. तो मुझे ट्रेंड वाइज मुझे अच्छा दिख रहा है. आई वांट टू नोट सिल्वर, whether it is becoming more stronger and break out and increase the ETF and evaluate, is it good time for MCX? Second is crude oil. Crude oil is in my radar for much bigger gain. Crowd is expecting down move in crude oil, what happened with the last, but sudden up move can possibly there. Natural gas consolidating, what will be the next move? We are yet to see. अभी भी bearish pressure, bearish माहौल छाया हुआ है. And copper is in a range. I'm preferring copper with the ETF right now, not with the futures. तो जैसे commodity, I'll say currently trading is more muted for positional trading. ऐसा होता ही है, very common, and that's why the multi-asset, now you can focus other areas, other part of your capabilities to generate return from there as well. But I'm waiting patiently. I think I'll be having some opportunities going ahead. At the end part of July to August could be gold breaking lower. Silver is somewhat bullish. I'm closely watching that. And crude oil could be an upcoming opportunity. So this is the playbook I will have. Thank you friends for watching this small video. All the best from my side to your trading, and as always, happy trading.